we did do yesterday was get a redesign of one of our home pages. And I want to say that the dev server is not running. Yeah. Let's open this. This is the updated site. So bam. It goes from having the testimonials right here to also having them right here because that's more, but this section needs to be fixed. These covers need to be fixed. For the covers, I want them to be covers that you create and generate them in the proper aspect ratio. It doesn't have to be work, or it can be collage of work if that is what you want to do. Take images that are already on the website and make a collage out of them, or just generate a cover that goes well with that part of the section. So when it says operate, have a cover that depicts operating or operation or whatever is talked about in that. But I mean the change, so I'm going to show you guys the site that it is now. This is the site right now. So it's cool, but it's just kind of bland for me, in my opinion. It's just kind of bland. And I need to add more case studies. Just a lot of work that I need to do on this. But I like the new look. Like, it has these brighter sections. I like that. This is creating some nice images. And I told you guys yesterday, if you want unlimited image generation, tell your Codex agent to use the built-in image gen skill. That's all you got to do. Like, it will create, just give it, analyze, tell GPT to analyze a design style of your choice. Get that documentation, give it to Codex to learn that design style, and then turn it into a skill if it's not already a skill, and just tell it to use the built-in image gen skill. I split proof found section separate. Found a section in client testimonial. I did not ask you to do that. Only implement the changes to the hero section. All right, so these images are not gonna work. These images are not gonna work. Like, I like them, but they don't really. Okay, I really like this one. I really like this one. Build. Okay, I understand it now. I understand it now. These are some nice. Yeah, it needs to take this and it needs to do something cool with it. I'm looking for it to basically fill this up. Like, maybe I got an idea, guys. I have an idea. All right, we download that. We go to video. This is Adobe Firefly. If y'all don't know what that is, it is Adobe's. But this is Adobe Firefly. We're going to generate a video. They have this whole interface that it has access to all of the models that you need, similar to Higgsfield, VO 3.1, Clean 3.0. And what we're going to do is Clean cinematic video, Clean 3.0. And what we're going to do is first frame your device. We're going to go to downloads, wherever the download is. Got that one. And we want this to be vertical. All right, cool. So now the funnel fills with gold from the bottom to the top, covering an entire section every time it goes up. So like really we could make a GIF. We can make a GIF and just have it, be 4 sections, but I'm gonna see what this can do. Multi-shot, no. Elements, 8 seconds, no. Let's see. Okay, let's generate this video now. And if we need to, I have like 4,000 credits. Yeah, like 4,000 credits. So it's gonna generate that video. We'll see what it can do, and I'll give it to my bot. Give it to my bot. Let me see. Okay, it kind of got it. Look at it. It's lighting up. It's literally lighting up. Obscurity, clarity. Look at that. It fixed it. It starts from the top funnel. Then I scroll down to clarity. It lights that one up. Then conviction lights that one up. Then resonance lights that one up. Like, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. But I do wish that it was bigger and it took up more space, if I'm being completely honest. I wish that it was bigger and it didn't have that background. I wish it was just this. Like, and I prompted this wrong because I said from the bottom to the top. I meant from the top to the bottom. Yeah, that's not gonna work. That is not gonna work. But it did okay. It did okay. Like, it filled it up. I like it. I just think that it's not zoomed in enough for me. It's not raster generated. Okay. I like that the sections are glowing as I scroll, but I want it to be gold instead of just white. I want the glow to be gold instead of just white. I would also like the image to take up more space on the side instead of just inside this box and with a black background. Maybe the funnel. Dang, bro, I really do like what it did in this hero section. Like, I actually do like this. But I feel like it is a lot, though. So we're going to do that. Replace section image. Replace it. Yep, we got the new image right there, which y'all can tell it's an AI image. Create section covers. Those are the section covers that were right here. All right, so we did a little bit there. It's gonna fix that. I think these cards over here could be a little. So far, we're headed in the right space. We're headed in the right. Okay, it fixed it. It fixed it on its own. That's what I'm saying. Like, Codex is not as bad as people think or say. Like, Codex is okay. Damn, that's nice. I like it. Did I say testimonials? Wow. Autoplay. It's very smooth. We got the bright mode. Sorry if I let me see this on my other. Dang, that's such a nice animation. That is such a nice animation. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Just wanted to hang out with y'all, say what's up. This was a quick one, about an hour, but keep learning AI. Join the AI Educate AI Lab. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, And stay tuned for videos. A lot of great information already on the channel, but definitely gonna be coming out with more and more. So stay tuned for that. Shout out Harold, and also shout out Money Making Boss. He joined the community yesterday, and yeah, man, I'm gonna start shouting out everybody that has been joining. So I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all tomorrow.